don't want peace. I want problems always.
Ask everybody here. They can tell you. It's my laughing. It's natural. God is gifted of God. Yeah.
You call this laughing what? What is the name?
It's money laughing, but I don't have money. But
Kabamu, abrakada TV ka sokoto abeka peda kaba chama amazigage. Kabamu, togwa wansi, togwa kaba wagurungo imiride. Dadika kaba muruzungu. Kaba muruzungu, webye bya ruzungu.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Madembe.
I found an original clip.
Okay, I tried, like, I gave it my best. Calm down, you can have more.
How do you feel?
The pepper, it's too much.
I won.
It's too spicy. Very sweet. It's sweet. People need to try it on food tribe. Taya Wale.
Kemi, how do you feel?
I feel so fulfilled and excited. Because of the turkey is a badass.
I swear. I feel good.
The turkey is soft.
Let's go and sleep.
No, this is just round one.
You say what?
That's just round one.
Who is this man?
no, sorry, sir.
Why didn't you arrest this man? What did he do here?
Before we were counting, they disconnected all the power. You were there. Why are you asking me this quick, simple question?
Thank you.
Go and ask your grandfather.
5 days, it is a road. I know go back, I know go front. I know Gilima to go back. I know Gilima to come. The road you don't support. The people ask, I know Gilima to open the road. While I do no back, no foot, nothing. Government no look at the people. What you call government be this? I beg government, the beg government. What you call look at these people?
8 days.
If it was my own son, because what am I going to do? Like if it was my own son, before people will come here, I could have killed a lot. I'm telling you, look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people. My own son, Micah, Emmanuel, Ophelia, like I'll kill. Nobody will, I'll kill a lot. I'm telling you, I didn't tell you like I'll kill. My own son, hey, when I see them, then I have the whole world. To the top.